Welcome to Smart Education. Today we are going to solve class 9th chapter number 3 polynomial practice set 3.1. Before starting this chapter, there are some important points which I want to explain, that is types of polynomial based on number of terms. See, in the first box what is given, 2x and 5 is given. Only one term in the polynomial is called monomial. Okay, so when there is a one term, it means it's a monomial. And in the second bracket you can see it is given x4 square plus x comma m square minus 3m is given. So here we are having two terms. Okay, we are having two terms, that means it's called binomial. When there is a two term, it's called binomial. The next one is what? Half y square minus 2y plus 5. Here you can see three terms are there: first, second, third. So we are having three terms, that means it's a trinomial. So these are types of polynomial. Now we are going to solve practice set 3.1 with the help of these three types of polynomial. Now question number 1 is given. State whether the given algebraic expression are polynomial. Justify. We have to justify whether this expression is polynomial or not. So here you can see what is given: y plus 1 upon y given. Okay, so here as you can see, degree, if you see the degree, if we understand the degree of, we can easily understand what is polynomial. So here first the numbers, the whole numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it should be considered in this equation. For example, I'm showing here, for example 2 upon x cube. Okay, when it come to opposite side of numerator, it will become 2x minus 3. Here the sign change. Okay, the positive sign change to negative just because of opposite direction. So here if we see y, 1 upon y equal to y minus 1. Okay, it's not a polynomial. The power is not positive integer. So for example 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, this whole number is positive, and here we got negative minus 1. So it is not polynomial. Okay, so this equation is not polynomial. Now second, what is given? Second one is given 2 minus 5 square root x. Okay, here you can see we have already studied in previous lesson that what is surds. Here nothing is there, means here nothing is given in the place of radical sign. So here degree of one of variable x is, the one of variable x is what? Half. When nothing is given, it will come half. Okay, and as you can know that the whole number, in the whole number, half is not there. It is not there. So equation is 2 minus 5x half. Here degree of one of variable, therefore variable x is half, which is not variable, sorry, which is not a whole number. So therefore it is not polynomial. Now we'll move to next question, that is third one. Third one is given x square plus 7x plus 9. Here you can see what is degree? Square is degree. Here 1, here also. If there is no variable here, and take as a, so here 2 degree, here 1, here 0, because it is a coefficient number, so 0 will come. Now you can see that 0, 1 and 2, these all are whole numbers. So here the power, this I also call power of all variable come in whole number. So therefore it is a polynomial. Now fourth question. Two m square plus 7m minus 5. See, the next equation is what given? 2m square, that is m minus square it is, plus 7m minus 5 is given. So you can see here already minus sign is there. So this equation, the whole equation is not considered as polynomial. Okay, as you can see, whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, there is no minus sign. So here, therefore here one of the variable is negative. It is not polynomial. Now next question, fifth one is given 10 given. Okay, 10, it's a coefficient number, so value, the power will come 0. The power of 10 is 0. The power of 10 is 0. So therefore 0 is a whole number, so it is polynomial. I hope you understand what is power, what is degree, and how we have solved this, how we justify the algebraic expression. So we are going to move for question number 2. So here question number 2 is what? Write the coefficient of m cube in each of the given polynomial. The first question is what given? First question is m cube. So only we have to write the coefficient of m cube. So here m cube, the power, the degree will come 1. Okay, when no variables are there, with m cube we can write 1. We'll consider this as a, we consider m cube power as 1. So second, next question is what? Minus 3 upon 2 plus m minus square root 3 m cube. Okay, now here what is given? Minus 3 upon 2 plus m minus square root 3 m cube is given. Here also we have to write the coefficient of m cube. So here coefficient of m cube is what? Minus square root 3. Okay, now next question is given, question number 3. It is minus 2 upon 3 m cube minus 5 m square plus 7 m minus 1. So here also we have to write the coefficient of m cube. So coefficient of m cube is minus 2 upon 3. So answer is minus 2 upon 3. Now next question is what? Write the polynomial in x using the given information. So first question is what given? Monomial with degree 7. Here monomial means only one term of algebraic expression will come. So we are going to write on that way. I already explained what is monomial and what is binomial and what is trinomial. So in monomial only one term will come. So I am writing what is given. Write the monomial with degree 7. So I will write x and 7. Okay, x and degree is what? 7. The next question is given, binomial having degree 35. So here what is next is binomial. We have to write the binomial which having degree of 35. So I am writing here, I will take x 35 minus x 7. So it is a binomial having degree 35. In binomial we have two terms. So I have written two terms of binomial. The third is what? Trinomial. Trinomials having degree 8. So I am writing here x 8 plus 5x cube plus 7 positive. Okay, and we have three terms 1, 2, 3 and with degree of 8. Okay, the degree is what? 8 here. So it is called, the whole expression is called, the whole equation is called trinomial. The next question is what? Write the degree of the given polynomial. So here the first question is what? Square root 5 is given. Square root 5, if you remove the radical sign, what we will get? We will get 5 and it's a coefficient number. So it will give degree as 0. Okay, degree is 0 because there is no variables. There is no variable and it is a coefficient number. So degree will come 0. And square root 5 is a constant term. The second is given x. Second is given x and 0 degree is given. So here also already the degree is given as a 0. So we'll write we have to write the degree. So we are going to write 0 here. Okay, I hope you are understanding. We have to write the degree of each terms. The third one is x square. Okay, so here the degree is what? 2. Fourth one, square root 2m 10 minus 7. Here as you can see, square root 2m, it's with variable, so degree is what? 10. And here 7 is what? Without variable it is, and it's a coefficient number with 0 degree. So here the bigger degree is what? 10. So we will write 10 as a degree of this equation. Now fifth one I am writing here. I hope it is visible. Fifth one, it is given fifth one is given fifth one is given 2p minus square root 7. So p with variable means 2p is given and minus square root 7 is given. Here 2p means no degree is given, so we will consider as a 1 here. If we remove the radical sign, it will become a coefficient number with a degree of 0. So here we get what? We get 1 degree. Okay, now sixth one is 7y minus y cube. Now here question number 6 is 7y minus y cube plus 5 is given. Okay, see what is given? 7y minus y cube plus y 5 is given. So here as you can see, there is no degree. First we will consider as a 1. This is 3 and here 5. So here the degree of trinomial is 5. Okay, the degree of trinomial is 5. Now seventh one is given x y z plus x y minus z. So we have to write here degree of this trinomial. So here you can see one x is a 1 degree, y 1 degree, z is 1 degree, here also 1, 2, here 1. So the bigger degree is what? 3. So we will write 3 as a degree of this trinomial. Now next one is 8th one, that is m cube n 7 minus 3 m5 n plus mn. Okay, so it is also a trinomial. Now you can see here the degree is 3 and 7, that means it is a 10. Here we have 5 and 1 degree, here 1 degree. The bigger degree is what? 10. So answer of this is the degree will be 10 here. Okay, I hope you understand what is degree here. Then we are going to move question number 5.